Hello and welcome to this digital eelgrass blog for the Wildlife Trust's National Marine Week for 2020. My name is Dr. Mel Broadhurst Allen and I am the Living Seas Coordinator for the Alderney Wildlife Trust on the island of Alderney. For the next few minutes I'm going to give a simple guide to eelgrass in terms of what it is, why it is important and what you can do to help us record it. Eelgrass, or what you think of as seagrass, is actually a terrestrial plant, yet it lives in the marine environment. There are around 2 key species in the Channel Islands and the UK. Both are found in sandy, sheltered environments. The first species is known as dwarf eelgrass. This is found in the intertidal zone, so it's the part of the bay, the beachy section that you can walk on. The second species is known as common eelgrass. Now this is found in the lower shore, extending out to about 5 to 10 metres deep, so it's within the shallows of the sea. Eelgrass looks as it sounds. They are thin grass-like blades that poke out of the sand. Underneath the sands is a complex, dense root system of rhizomes. Essentially, it is a beautiful, lush green long lawn in the sea. Now, in terms of its conservation importance, it is probably one of the most valuable species in our waters. It is a habitat forming species. It can grow into dense meadows. Now this provides a home for a variety of life and also food. Within the blades of eelgrass you might find seahorses, juvenile fish, breeding squid and sea slugs. Attached to the blades there might be seaweeds and stalk jellyfish. And hanging above the water column you might find diatoms and jellyfish too. Beneath the sands the root system provides air pockets for species such as burrowing molluscs and wiggly marine worms. Interestingly, wildfowl actually feed off the leaves, and bacteria and detritivores actually feed off the dead and decaying ones. Eelgrass beds can actually slow down oncoming fast-flowing tides and waves. This provides shelter for species and adjacent habitats, and also for us living along the coast. The complex root system also stabilises the sea floor, preventing local coastal erosion. In addition, the sediments below have recently been found to store stocks of organic carbon. These are recognised as a solution to ocean acidification and climate change. So to summarise, it's a pretty important marine habitat. Across the Bailiwick of Guernsey, that is the islands of Alderney, Guernsey, Sark and Herm, are records of eelgrass presence, its location, the extent of the bed, and what lives within it is quite patchy. Because of this, and that we know it's an important habitat, the Alderney Wildlife Trust has teamed up with the Guernsey Biological Record Centre, the Biodiversity Partnership and Sea Search to develop a brand new project. It's known as the Bailiwick Eelgrass Exploration Project. Now this is a citizen science project whereby we train interested participants to go out there and identify and record their eelgrass sightings for us. They could be doing this during their lower shore walks on a Sunday, if they fancy going snorkelling or diving and just happen to come across eelgrass. Now if you would like to help us record eelgrass within our waters, please drop me an email at marine@alderney.wildlife.org and we can set you up and train you how to record this important habitat. Now if you're in the UK and you spot some eelgrass, why not let your local wildlife trust know? I'm sure they'll be as interested as much as me. Thank you for listening to this eelgrass blog, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your National Marine Week. Many thanks. Bye.